After months of deliberation about which iPad I should get, how much memory I should be investing in, and what screen size would best suit my needs, I finally made the purchase. Yay! I do creativity, journaling, and art as a hobby, and going digital was the next way forward. And having surveyed the market, it became clear that when it came to putting a stylus to a screen, Apple products remain unmatched. And because this was my first iPad, I actually wanted to buy the best in the range because this wasn't a purchase I was going to make every day. So the Pro was the obvious choice. And as you can see, it's a beautiful autumn day here today, so I decided to do the unboxing outdoors in some natural light. The box itself came wrapped in clear, thin plastic sheet, and I did not need any scissors. I did not use a knife. It had a tab that I pulled and it just came straight off. So easy. The box was a delight to hold. It was matte and soft to the touch, a little difficult to get off, but we got there in the end. The tablet itself was also wrapped in beautiful, thick, buttery paper, and it did actually tear off easily as well, just like butter. I was a little nervous. The screen was so nice and glossy. I did not want to get my fingerprints on it. The space gray color is so smooth and sleek, much better than how it appeared online. There were some quick start instructions and some care instructions that were included in the packaging, and ooh, stickers. Stickers always get me excited. There's a Type-C cable and a charging brick, also very nicely, neatly wrapped. And now the star of the show, the Apple Pencil, my drawing buddy. This was also packed nicely in the smooth, sleek, lightweight plastic that you can just pull away and tear off. And now to slide it open. Again, some care instructions on how to change the nib and all of that. There it is. It's all rounded and it has a flat edge on one side, and it's that edge that attaches to the tablet when it's charging. Apple packaging was so beautiful. They had paid so much attention to detail that when you're unboxing, you actually realize that you've bought something very special. And to avoid you guys having to see my double chin, I invited this guy to help me. And there we go, it's on. Because I don't have an iPhone, I chose to set this up manually. And you'll see me struggling some places because, it's kind of obvious I've never had an iPad before. So I was reading every little instruction there was there. These were some guidelines as to how to quick start and actually get moving. Despite the bright sunny day, you can see that the screen is actually pretty clear. And this is the cover that I actually bought for the iPad. I was a little kind of, I wanted something a little girly, something quirky, something pink, but there wasn't that much choice here in Islamabad. So this was the next best thing that I found. It's a faux leather case with a silicone backing. Again, a little hard to install, but once it was in there, it was snug and secure, and I was quite happy with it. And it wasn't exactly the kind of color I was going for, but maybe I could personalize the cover with the Apple stickers and just make it my own. The silicone ridges on the end of the cover, when I saw them, I was a little apprehensive that the pencil might not attach or it might not charge, but that was all dismissed. It did in fact attach and it did charge. I tested the Apple Pencil, the double tap switches between drawing and erasing, and it worked perfectly. The main reason that I bought the iPad was to draw, So the first thing I did was download Procreate, and this cover can actually be placed in two ways. One is to lay it down flat, and the other is to stand it up for drawing. Clearly, as you can see, the standing up feature was not the best for drawing, so next time I'll just lay it down flat. But I loved the way the pencil stroked against the screen, the way the brush was working. I definitely got my money's worth. I was happy and I couldn't wait to try this out. Now this was a very quick sketch at under 5 minutes, but I loved the way that it came out, and I think for my first try it's not too bad. Hopefully it'll just get better from here on. I can't wait to experiment with this iPad. I haven't put any screen protector on it yet. I have a matte one coming in the post because I'd never used one before. I wanted to try the original screen. Hopefully I'll do a follow-up video with some more updates. See you then.